Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is a quick video that completes the last video that I made about a toolbox plugin. Well, a plugin that cleans toolbox assets from any script. It just, with one click, it deletes all the scripts in the model, like every single script. So your model will be safe to use, because if there is no script, then there's no way they're going to be a vars, okay? And yeah, that's the idea about it. And now I'm going to fix the code that I made last day about the history service. Well, change history service. Well, it wasn't really wrong, you know, it wasn't really wrong, but just something didn't work it out, which is about, of course, change history service. So what I did, because I didn't figure it out, so I posted in developer forum, okay, and there is someone who actually, there's some people who replied to my post. Anyway, so Dolphin Worm, I think you put the change history service set waypoint scripts cleaned in the wrong place. It's within the first for loop. So this is the first note, and I think he fixed it right here. Yeah, looks like. And actually I think you're right, that may be the issue. I've actually, okay, now this is from that Timothy. He's a top contributor, and he's the creator of Uno game, if you know it, like Roblox Uno game, of course. So I've actually run into this issue before. Destroyed objects cannot be reverted with change history service due to their parent property being locked. You have to set the parent to nil for the history service to work, which isn't optimal, but Studio internally uses this method to allow in deleting objects. Also make sure you put the first waypoint outside of the loop. So that's was the second note right there. Okay, so here I just thank them for the help, and I marked this answer as the solution because it holds the two notes that corrected my plugin, which is that destroyed objects can't be reverted back using change history service. So you just need to parent it to nil instead of destroying it completely, because if you destroy something you can't revert it at any cost. So yeah, and also the second note, which have been also covered by Dolphin Worm, which is I made a wrong thing where, like, you know, I just messed up something. I'll show you right now. So I'll just go into a new base plate, or you can go to the place that you made in the first video. So I'll go to my well, my toolbox, right, my models, and you'll have this. Just use yours, or go to this description and you'll find the link. So cleaner plugin, right? So this is our folder that we made the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, watch it, because you know we're just going to continue the thing here. Anyway, so the first note, which is change history. Okay, so I think I should put the change history service before this loop, okay? So before actually beginning the process until we end the process, and that's the thing right there. Okay, alright, so I'm just using Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control X to cut, and stuff like that. It's pretty simple stuff. Okay, so I fixed this one, alright? But if I save this as local plugin, and let's see what's gonna happen. Is it going to fix our thing? So if we insert it, for example, another just for, or you know what? Let's insert this FA gun kit that I have right here, just for example. So if you go to plugins, you know, and I have this script plus my personal plugin that I created to see all the scripts that I have inside the model. So that's the scripts that is inside there. Okay, and if I click clean scripts, which is the plugin that we're working on right now, okay, well, looks like it's freezed, I guess. Alright, well, I don't have any idea why it freezed. Well, oh god, maybe the model was too big, I guess. I don't care really, something was wrong with that, you know. And if I click Indo here, okay, so as you see, nothing really happened there. Not sure, well, it didn't work, you know, but at least we fixed this because it should be outside of the loop, right? Alright, good stuff. Now to the second point, which the elements that got destroyed can't be reverted. So what I'm going to do is, instead of destroy, I'm just going to set the parent of it to nil. But hey, maybe well, if I set it to its parent to nil, did I can, like, you know, assume that it won't work at all at any circumstance? But just to make sure it doesn't, I'm just going to do element dot disabled equal to true, right? So I make sure that it's disabled first, then I set its parent to nil, which is kinda equivalent to destroy, not really destroying, but at least freed it from your workspace or from your game. Anyway, it's not the best way to do things, you know. It's better to destroy your scripts, but hey, we can do that with ChangeHistoryService right here. Maybe I can kind of do something like finalize button, like finalize destroying button for scripts, you know, and then put it in the plugin toolbar, you know, with it, and I'll keep track of the elements that I parented it to nil, and then when you click that finalize button, then I just destroy them. I'll make sure to destroy them, not just parenting it to nil. But anyway, so if I save this as a local plugin, you know, and well, now let's get again something and let's try on it. For example, well, let's get this. Let's see what it have. Doesn't really have much. Okay, toolbox. Well, what about this? Not really much. I want some model that have a lot of scripts, you know. But well, there is this thing which, okay, this color I made it. It means, I think, the mod it uses require, or yeah, it uses require, or even HTTP service, or it just detected that in the comments. But anyway, that's not our case right here. Now if I go into plugins and I click clean scripts, okay, disabled is not a valid member of scripts. Okay, well, let me check view properties. Am I missing something? Okay, alright, with capital D and capital P. All the properties starts with capital, and that was the problem. So I'll save this plugin again. Alright, and then I'll try it again. I think, well, I'll try it on here, you know, and then I'll clean the scripts, and yeah, it's gone. But hey, it doesn't really destroy the module script. Alright, I can fix that. But well, if I did this like Indo, and here we go, we got back. We have it back. Alright, now the change history service works, and thanks to this dudes, you know. But anyway, so next up, we want to fix that it doesn't really destroy modules, right? So let's fix it. Alright, well, plugins script plus, no need for you right now. Okay, here, if element is a base script or element is a module script, so if any of those, then do this. Alright, by the way, does module script have disabled? I don't think, right? Yeah, I think it doesn't have that. Well, let's see. Probably not. Yeah, it doesn't have it, so it will error if we does that. Now there's two ways to actually fix this. The first way is wrapping this in pcall function and then doing this, right? And this will work, but it's not the best solution. So here's what I'm going to do. Else if, right, element is a module script, then element.parent equal to nil. So we won't use the disabled, okay, and we can clean this, and it should work right now. Save as local plugin, save, boom, boom, and then toolbox, and then boom, and then here we have it. Let's see, plugin scripts plus and clean scripts, and here we go, it's gone. And if you do that, it'll get back. That's great. Alright, so we're done with this video. Thank you guys for joining in, and goodbye.